Why you should sell your house for cash. Selling your home for cash has a lot of benefits. For starters, it's a quick and easy way to sell your home. You don't have to go through the hassle of listing your home, waiting for buyers, and dealing with repairs. And you can get rid of your home in as little as a week. Another benefit of selling your home for cash is that you'll get to keep more of the sale price. When you sell your home on a traditional market, you have to pay real estate commissions, closing costs, and other fees. But when you sell your home for cash, you don't have to pay any of those fees. That means you'll get to keep more of the sale price of your home. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to sell your home, then selling it for cash is the right choice. Here are the reasons why you should sell your house for cash. No repairs or upgrades needed. When you sell your house for cash, you don't have to worry about making any repairs or upgrades. This can save you a lot of money and time, as you won't have to spend any money on renovations or wait for the repairs to be completed. Additionally, if your house is in need of significant repairs, you may not be able to sell it in the traditional market. Selling your house for cash means that you can sell it as is, without making any repairs. You don't have to pay commissions. Selling your house for cash means that you don't have to pay any commissions to a realtor. This can save you a significant amount of money, especially if your home is worth a lot. Not paying commissions can also help you sell your house more quickly, as you won't have to worry about finding a buyer who is willing to pay the commission fees. Selling your house for cash is fast. Selling your house for cash is the fastest way to sell your house. You don't have to wait on financing approval, standard inspections, or appraisals. Another benefit of selling your house for cash is that you don't have to worry about making repairs or improvements to your home before listing it. Cash buyers will purchase your home as is, no matter what condition it is in. They offer a quick cash sale. This can save you a lot of time and money. It's handy. In a real estate transaction, there are a lot of reasons why selling your house for cash can be handy. Perhaps you need to sell quickly due to job loss or downsizing. Maybe you're dealing with debt, divorce, or an increasing crime rate in your neighborhood. Or you could be inheriting a house and looking for the most efficient way to sell it. Whatever your situation, selling for cash can be a convenient solution. There is no need for marketing and showing. When you sell your house for cash, you don't need to worry about marketing and showing your home. This can save you a lot of time and money and the hassle of dealing with potential buyers who may not be serious about purchasing your home. Cash buyers are usually more motivated to buy a property quickly and without any contingencies, which can make the selling process much simpler and less stressful. Saving time. Selling your home for cash can save you a lot of time and save money. You won't have to worry about finding a real estate agent, going through the process of repairing and staging your home, or waiting for months for a buyer to come along. You can sell your home as is and close the deal quickly. This is especially helpful if you are in a time crunch, such as needing to sell before you move for a new job. If you want to sell your house for cash, then Eagle Cash Buyers is the best option for you. They pay cash and they are a reliable and professional cash buyer that can help you sell your house fast. They don't charge commissions or fees, and they buy houses in cash, so you can avoid the hassle of dealing with real estate agents and closing costs. Conclusion. Selling your house for cash has many benefits, including not having to pay commissions, being able to sell your house as is, and closing the deal quickly. If you need to sell your house fast, then selling it for cash can be the best option for you. Eagle Cash Buyers is one of the best cash home buyers that can help you sell your house quickly and without any hassle. So if you're looking for a fast and easy way to sell your house, then Eagle Cash Buyers is the best option for you.